This Robomow RL800 has got a charging problem. Sometimes it works for a while and it stops, and on the controller it says charging problem. I've tried swapping the controller. These are the controllers here. I've tried swapping this controller from that machine there, and initially it worked, but then it still came up with a charging problem. So before you can take the top of the Robomow off, you've got to do a few things. First, pull out this fuse cover here, then this lead here, this lead here unclips from the charging board. It's a standard internet or telephone type of wire. You must squeeze the clip in and then it pulls straight out. There are two other wires you're going to need to unclip. This one I've actually broken because I tried to fix it. And these other two wires just pull straight up. So this one here is going to pull straight up. The other wire is for the orange lamp there. That little white wire just pulls straight up. But then the last thing you've got to do is take out these two fuses. There's one here, there's one below it, and you just wiggle them back and forwards and pull them out this way. Okay, so 3 wires and 2 fuses. This controller holder just slides straight up if you ever need to replace it. It's held in by 2 clips. You can get these clips as spares if you ever lose them. Once you've done all of that and you've taken the clips out at the bottom, you lift from the top and this whole thing will come up. It'll just catch slightly on these things. Just be careful not to bend them when you take the yellow top off. So first, to get to the circuit boards, you've got to take 10 of these clips out, and they basically just lever out with a screwdriver like this, and then they should just pull out like this. You might need to get a screwdriver underneath it, and I always put them in the same order that they come out, just in case they're the same. Okay, something I'm going to do is I'm actually going to swap out the charging boards, and the charging boards, to get this circuit board out, you need to pull these clips back. 1,
Oh, is that right?
2. We've got some musical accompaniment. That releases the ribbon cable. Once you've unplugged all of those 3 plugs, just wiggle this back and forwards. It should come straight out like that. Okay, after swapping out the controller, which is this thing here, swapping out the charging board, which is underneath there, the problem turned out to be this here. And if you look closely, you can see that some of those wires look pretty manky. And what happens is, if all of those 3 wires are not connected, you get this charging problem situation, which is what we had. So I think this bit here is the bit that was causing all the problems. And I don't know why you've got 3 wires there, but I imagine if one of them's disconnected or one of them's touching or connected, it thinks it's charging when it's not. So if you ever have a charging problem on your Robomow, it could well be this here. Just check the wires at the base.